Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can order a Visitor Oyster Card. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to visitorshop.tfl.gov.uk, and once you enter, Visitor Shop would ask you to verify if you are a human or not. So, simply click on the checkbox that you see on your screen. Then, you would be redirected to the main lobby. From here, you're gonna scroll down until we see the Visitor Oyster Card right here. Click on it, and then we're gonna scroll down again and see the options right here. First, we will select the quantity of tickets that we need. Close once you're done, and then what would be the ticket credit? 10, 15, 20, and so on. After choosing, you're gonna add a date for your departure from home. Let's say I'm gonna go on December 5. Once you're done with all that, select Add to Basket. After this, you have the option to check out or add more with a different credit. Let's add more. So choose the quantity, choose a different credit, and then a departure date. Once done, add to basket. And then we're gonna check out. The next step would be to add your email address right here. So type in your email address. And then click on continue. And then add a name prefix for your delivery address, your first name, let's say work, last name, and then add a post-zip code or street, or you can also enter your address manually, and then add a phone number. After that, select the country, county, city, postcode, and so forth. After finishing all that, click on Continue to Payment. Visitor would then ask you to put in your card details, and once you fill all that, you can choose whether if you want to track your mail or not. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!